In last video, we started with Bayer's angle strain theory using concept of angle strain. In this theory, Bayer proposed that all ring systems, cycloalkanes are planar, and they have and deviation from normal tetrahedral angle, that is 109.5 degree, results into unstable cycloalkanes. If bond angles deviate from the ideal, then ring produce some strain. Higher the strain, higher the instability. And Bayer proposed that any deviation of bond angle from ideal bond angle, that is 109.5 degree, will produce a strain in molecule. Higher the deviation, lesser the stability, and angle strain, it is calculated as a difference between tetrahedral angle and the internal angle. That is, angle strain is equal to 109.5 degree minus internal angle of cycloalkanes. So as I already told you that Bayer proposed that all cycloalkanes, they are planar. That point we need to keep in mind. And here for various cycloalkane, angle strain is calculated. So first is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane, it is CH2, CH2, CH2. So its ring size is 3 because it has 3 carbon atom, and its internal bond angle, it is 60 degree. So what will be its angle strain? Angle strain is nothing but 109.5. It is the ideal tetrahedral bond angle minus internal angle. For cyclopropane it is 60. So it comes 49.5. Then for cyclobutane, its ring size of 4 carbon, its internal angle is 90 degree. This is the internal angle, it is 90 degree. So angle strain will be 109.5 minus 90, that is 19.5. Cyclopentane with ring size 5, internal bond angle will be 108 and the angle strain will be 1.5. For cyclohexane, the internal bond angle is 120. So the angle strain, it is ideal angle minus internal angle. Though the value is negative, but here there is no need of indicating positive or negative. It's a only value is required and it is 10.5. Similarly, for cycloheptane and cyclooctane, the angle strain values are 19.1 and 25.5 respective. So from these angle strain value, Bayer proposed that as the angle strain increases, the stability of the ring decreases. This expectation was found to be true for cyclopropane and cyclobutane, which has higher angle strain and they are unstable. You can see here cyclopropane, its angle strain is 49.5 and cyclobutane, it is 19.5. So according to Bayer, higher the angle strain, higher is the instability, which is true for these two cycloalkanes. Cyclopentane, in this cyclopentane has minimum angle strain, it is just 1.5 and hence found to be stable. According to Bayer, why cyclopentane is stable? Because it has a minimum angle strain. But when we go cyclohexane, heptane and octane, angle strain is increases. So they should be more and more unstable. So here from this calculation and according to Bayer's angle strain theory, only cyclopentane should be stable compound because it has a less angle strain. However, experimental measurements of heat of combustion indicate that these rings, cyclohexane onward, do not have any angle strain, that is, they are strain free, and thus Baer strain theory failed for cyclohexane and higher cycloalkane. One here, according to Baer, what is the relative order of stability for some cycloalkane? Let's see. Here, first we will see, compare the stability of cyclopropane and cyclobutane as per angle strain theory of Baer. Now the bond angle in cyclopropane is 60 degree and the normal tetrahedral bond angle is 109.5 degree. So what is the deviation? Deviation is normal tetrahedral bond angle minus actual bond angle or internal bond angle. So deviation in cyclopropane is 109.5 minus 60, that is 49.5 degree. Similarly, in cyclobutane, the internal bond angle is 90 while tetrahedral bond angle is 109.5. So what is the deviation? 109.5 minus 90, that is 19.5. So here the deviation is higher for cyclopropane than cyclobutane. In cyclopropane the deviation is 49.5 and in cyclobutane it is just 19.5. So deviation is higher in cyclopropane than cyclobutane. Therefore, cyclopropane is more prone undergo ring opening reaction. That means it is less stable. So according to Baer, the relative order of stability for some common cycloalkane is, according to Baer, cyclopentane is most stable because its angle strain, we discussed, it has only 1.5. Then cyclohexane, then cyclobutane, and cyclopropane is least stable. This is according to Baer, but as I already told you, from the heat of combustion calculation, it is indicated that cyclohexane onward, all the cycloalkanes are angle strain free and they are stable cycloalkanes. Now, what is heat of combustion and how it is helped calculate the stability of cycloalkane? So let's discuss this in next video.